Welcome back to Royale Drive, your VIP pass to the most exclusive rides in the world. Today, we're looking at not one, but two of the most insane SUVs on the planet. First up, the BMW XM Label Red, the most powerful BMW ever made. Only 500 exist worldwide, and this one is rocking a $49,000 carbon fiber body kit from Larte Design. And right next to it, a Larte Edition Cadillac Escalade, turning America's king of luxury SUVs into a carbon fiber beast. $49,000 carbon fiber body kit from Larte Design. And right next to it, a Larte Edition Cadillac Escalade, turning America's king of luxury SUVs into a carbon fiber beast. These are not just SUVs, they're rolling works of art. So buckle up, because this video is going to be wild. August 18th, 11:52 p.m., Moines 92. Let's start with the star of the show, the BMW XM Label Red. This is BMW's first standalone M car since the M1 supercar, and it's packing some serious heat. Under the hood, a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with a hybrid system, cranking out a jaw-dropping 738 horsepower. That makes it the most powerful production BMW ever. The Larte Design body kit takes it to the next level. Full carbon fiber bumpers, custom diffuser, aggressive front splitter, and that sporty roof spoiler. Even the wheels are unique, wrapped in performance tires that scream power. This SUV isn't just fast, it's a head-turner everywhere it goes. Imagine pulling up to valet with this monster. People will stop and stare. 18/09, 11:53 p.m. Moines 92. Performance? 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. Pound SUV. Inside, BMW didn't hold back either. You get the signature curved display, red contrast stitching, M badges everywhere, and that ultra premium leather. And yes, this SUV has a hybrid drive mode, so you can silently cruise in electric mode before unleashing that V8 roar. August 18th, 2. Now let's talk about the other superstar here, the Cadillac Escalade by Larte Design. The Escalade is already a king of luxury, but Larte turns it into a VIP tank. Carbon fiber grille surround, front splitter, rear diffuser, custom exhaust tips. It's bold, aggressive, and unmistakably expensive. Inside, you still get that Escalade magic. Huge OLED screens, insane sound system, and room for an entire entourage. August 18th. So, which one wins your heart? The rare 738 horsepower BMW XM Label Red with its limited edition carbon kit? Or the all-American Cadillac Escalade turned into a carbon-clad monster? Tell us in the comments below. And if you had $500,000 to spend, which SUV are you driving home? This is Royale Drive, your home for the world's rarest and most powerful machines. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because next time, we're taking you inside the world of private jets and hypercars.